7 egg breakfasts, 5 minutes each. No skipping around, you're getting all 7 right now, back to back. By the end of this video, you'll have a different way to eat eggs for every single day of the week. Let's go. Number 1. If you only know one way to cook eggs, it's probably this one. But most people get the texture wrong. Here's how to make it creamy instead of dry. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl with a splash of milk, salt, and pepper. Whisk gently until combined. Melt a little butter in a pan on low heat. Low is the key word here. Pour the eggs in and leave them alone for the first 30 seconds. Then use a spatula to gently fold from the edges toward the center every 20 to 30 seconds. The moment it looks just slightly underdone, take it off the heat completely. It keeps cooking from its own warmth. Plate it immediately. Soft, creamy, done in 5 minutes. Want the full breakdown with all the tricks? We've got a complete video on it, linked below. Number 2. This one intimidates a lot of people. Broken yolks, eggs falling apart in the water. It's actually simple once you know the trick. Bring a small pot of water to a gentle simmer. Small bubbles only, never a rolling boil. Stir in a teaspoon of white vinegar, which helps the egg hold its shape. Crack your egg into a small cup first instead of directly into the water. This gives you full control. Lower the cup close to the surface and slide the egg in gently. Set a timer for 3 minutes if you want a runny yolk, 5 if you want it fully set. When the timer goes off, lift the egg out with a slotted spoon and rest it on a paper towel for a few seconds to drain. No mess, no broken yolks. Full poaching method also linked below if you want to master it completely. Number 3. This is the closest thing to a poached egg without needing to crack anything into water at all. Shell stays on the whole time. Bring a pot of water to a full boil first. Using a spoon, lower a room temperature egg in gently. Don't drop it in, the shell can crack. Set a timer for exactly 6 minutes. The moment the timer ends, transfer the egg straight into a bowl of cold water for 30 seconds. This stops the cooking instantly so the yolk stays soft. Peel gently starting from the wider end. You'll get a firm white and a soft, jammy yolk every time. Number 4. And if you've made it this far, drop a fire emoji in the comments. Let's see how many of you are still with us. Same method as the last one, but with one number changed. And this one is built for the whole week, not just today. Follow the exact same steps as soft boiled. Boiling water, gently lowering the egg in. This time, set your timer for 10 minutes instead of 6. Straight into the cold water bath afterward for easy peeling. Make 4 or 5 at once. Keep them in the fridge in their shells, and you've got grab-and-go protein ready whenever you need it. No cooking required for the rest of the week. Number 5. This one looks fancy at a restaurant, but it only takes one extra step compared to scrambled eggs. Whisk 2 eggs with a pinch of salt until smooth. Pour into a hot non-stick pan with a little butter melted in first. As the edges start to set, use your spatula to gently push them toward the center, tilting the pan so any raw egg fills in the empty spaces. Once it's mostly set, but still a little soft on top, fold it in half. Let it sit 30 seconds more on each side. If you want it heartier, scatter a little cheese, chopped herbs, or leftover vegetables onto one half just before folding. Number 6. Most fried eggs end up with a burnt, crispy bottom and a yolk that's already hard. Here's the version that avoids both. Heat a small amount of olive oil or butter in a pan on low to medium heat, not high. Crack the egg directly into the pan. Cover the pan with a lid right away for about 2 minutes. The lid traps steam, which gently cooks the top of the egg without needing to flip it or blast it with heat. You'll end up with a soft, fully cooked white and a yolk that's exactly as runny or firm as you like. Number 7. This is the one for the mornings when even 5 minutes at the stove feels like too much. Crack 1 egg into a microwave-safe mug. Add a small splash of milk and a pinch of salt. Whisk it together with a fork right in the mug. Microwave for 45 seconds, take it out and give it a quick stir, then microwave for another 30 seconds. That's the whole recipe. No stove, no pan, nothing to scrub afterward. One more thing before you go. All 7 of these recipes use the exact same egg, but how you cook it actually changes how your body absorbs what's inside. Gentler methods like poaching and soft boiling preserve more of the vitamin D and choline in the yolk, while higher heat methods like frying break some of that down. So if you rotate through all 7 of these across the week, you're not just adding variety to your mornings, you're covering more of your nutritional bases too. 7 ways to eat eggs. 35 minutes of total cooking time for an entire week of breakfasts. Which one are you trying first? Drop the number in the comments. We read every one. Next time, we're doing the exact same thing with 5-minute lunches. 7 of them, just like this. Subscribe so you don't miss it. New recipes every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday.